Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this really cute 90s inspired nail art design. It looks so pretty and I really love how it came out, so if you would like to see how I did it, then please keep watching. First, I wanted to show you guys the really pretty spring inspired colors that I picked up from Nail Addict LA. They're really, really gorgeous, and I'm just going to swatch them for you guys, give you a little haul of these new colors. And I'm going to leave the names of every single one in order in the description box down below with a link and a discount code for you guys in case you wanted to purchase them. They're going to be super, super cheap right now, especially because of the discount code and stuff. So if you were interested, I highly recommend that. And I was actually gonna tell you guys, I think the discount code is for like a really high amount. Let me check really quick because I think it was for like a crazy amount off. Sorry, you guys. I think it is. Yeah, it's a 70% off code. So if you wanted to get 70% off these gels, they're gonna end up being a super, super good price. I highly recommend them. You could just tell that the pigmentation is gorgeous. And if you ever wanted to try these out and you never had a chance, right now is your chance because of this code. I'm gonna put the code on the screen. It's byval70. And yeah. You just have to have a minimum of 2 gel products and then the code will work at checkout. So I just wanted to say that really quickly, but I love these colors. I was trying to get some colors that I don't really have, something that's I know I'll use a lot. And yeah, right there I was just zooming in for you guys. And I know you guys are probably wondering where I've been. It's been like 2 weeks since I did a video, but I'm back and I just wanted to say thank you guys for supporting me. I really appreciate you and you guys asking where I've been and stuff. But yeah, so this neon yellow I really, really love. I really want to do a neon French tip set with that one because that'd be so cute. And yeah, you guys, I'll just let you watch the swatches and then we'll get into the tutorial. And here are all of the beautiful colors next to each other. So we're gonna get into the set. I'm gonna be going in with a really nice base nude. This one is Raya's Nails number 112. I just felt like this would be a very nice universal color for this set. And I had showed you guys my pink and like the spring color gel polishes because I had thought that I was gonna do this design for this customer in pink, but it ended up that she wanted red. So I ended up pulling out some of my Nail Addict red gels as well, and we're gonna be using those for this set because they're the perfect red colors. They're the only red colors that I own, to be honest. I think I own like a few D&D, but those are from like a long time ago. So the Nail Addict ones I have are my faves. So I'm going to show you guys a few of the ones that I'm going to be using today. And I pulled out this one right here called Scandalous, I think. Beyond Gorgeous, Magical, Speeding Ticket, and then I'm also going to be using the White Addict and then the Black Addict. So the White Addict was from the ones I just showed you, and then the red ones I already had. So I'm really excited to get into this design. So the thing I love about this design is that it's so easy. So you're going to take one color first. If, for example, if I was going to do this in pink, I would have took like the hot pink from the ones I showed you in the beginning first. So you're going to be creating like little dots almost in like the pattern of a French tip, if you can kind of tell. So I'm going to be going in with Speeding Ticket first because it's the brightest red I have. And then this one is called Beyond Gorgeous, and I think it's called Beyond Gorgeous. I don't remember. But again, I'm going to link these ones as well or put the names down below. But these ones I'm also just going to be adding all around in little circles and stuff, and literally kind of like patches. So you're just going to patch it on. You can do this with any color. You can do this with a rainbow of colors. You can do blues, reds, pinks, whatever shades you have. You can even do this in shades of nude if you wanted to. So just so many options with this, and that's what I really love about this design. And it turns out so cute if you're into that 90s vibe. So now I'm going to be taking, oh, now this is which one am I going to take next? I think this one has like a little bit of glitter in it. There's one of them that's a little shimmery, but I don't remember what the name of it is exactly. But the best part about this design as well is that it doesn't have to be perfect. You honestly kind of want to be a little messy with it because you're going to cover it with a bunch of lines and different like the white and the black and the little dots as well. So this is kind of what it's going to look like when you're done. You always want to make sure as well to clean off your sides so that your sides aren't bumpy when they're cured. And then we're going to cure that. And I'm just going to be doing the same thing to the other hand as well. Next, I'm just going to be taking my white gel polish from Nail Addict, the White Addict, and then I'm also going to be taking the black one. And I love both of these colors. I've never used the white before. This is my first time ever trying it out, but the black one is my go-to. I really like it. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I love the Macart duos, the white and black, because they're so pigmented, but these are very highly up there as well. They're really good. So I'm going to be taking a super long striper brush. For this, you want to use like a 25 millimeter, and a 25 millimeter will be perfect for this because you can get really nice crisp lines, and you're just going to be doing a little almost like grass strokes, if you know, like if you would like paint grass, I guess you could say. That's what you want to do, and you're just going to do it in all different directions. You could literally do it in whatever direction you want. I was completely freestyling it. I did have like a reference picture of what she wanted, but I wasn't looking at it. I just looked at it for a brief second and I was like, okay, it has white lines, black lines, and she wants it in red instead of pink. It was in pink in the photo. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and doing that, and I'm just freestyling it. And then again, after this, I'm going to be doing little dots, and I'm also going to be doing some black lines as well. It just really gives it that 90s vibe because back in the day, I feel like they used a lot of white and black on top of colorful nails, and that's how they did their designs. So that's something I did notice about that. I did want to say as well that doing a design like this is so easy. Honestly, it's very, very beginner friendly. You can do this if you're just starting out with press-ons, or if you have someone that wants this type of design on acrylic nails. You can use colored acrylic as the base instead, and it would work just as well. And you can do like the design with gel polish on top. So this design is very universal for everyone, and I honestly think this is something really cute, and a lot of people would like something like this because it's so unique, especially people that like longer nails. I noticed that a lot of girls that like longer nails, or you know, whoever, usually like lots of designs and stuff like that. Of course, there's some people that like only simple, but honestly, I feel like this would be a really good set for like a ready to ship. Like if you guys like posting sets that are ready to go, or like an 18 piece or 20 piece nail set for press-ons, you guys could definitely do this design, because you can do the same design on every finger and it'll be a 20 piece set, so someone can buy it and they don't have to figure out their measurements. That's just an idea for you guys. If you wanted to do something like this, I feel like someone would definitely buy it from you, because it's like I said, it's just a cute design and it's very easy to make into a ready to ship set. So I'm going to be taking the little white dots with my dotting tool, and yeah, I'm just kind of going in random directions wherever I want, and then I'm going in with the black ones again, just randomly, not doing anything specific. Like I said, you could just kind of freestyle it and do whatever you think looks good. So I did want to say really quickly that I'm very happy to be back, and I want you guys to give me some video ideas if you have anything specific you want to see. Of course, you know I'm always gonna come through with the press-on videos, because I know you guys really, really like those. So stuff like that I'm going to continue doing. And I did want to say also, with this design, you could even add little strips of glitter, like I'm adding here with this red glitter. This was, I don't know if this was in the photo, but I just felt like it would look really cute to give it a little bit of sparkle. You can even add some rhinestones, whatever you feel like you would like, to be honest. So if you did this with like a silver glitter as well, or gold, that's very, very 90s like vibes, I feel like. So yeah, this is what they're looking like. They're so pretty, and this base nude is a very good universal color as well. So yeah, that's what I'm doing there. Next, for a design where I'm going to be doing a lot of hand painting, I really recommend a thicker gel top coat, because it'll really smooth out the nails. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but when you do hand painted designs, sometimes they will be like really bumpy sometimes, like because the gel underneath. So a really thick gel top coat will really help you smooth everything out, instead of using a watery or like a thinner one. So I really like the Beetles gel top coat for that, because it's really nice and thick, and as you can see, it's like smoothing it out pretty well. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm just going to be doing that, and I only do one coat of top coat for this. And yeah, you guys, so that's it for this video. I'm going to show you guys the finished result, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you would like to see next. Please don't feel shy to leave me recommendations, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here and supporting me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!